In this problem, 3 to power x square divided by 9 to power x equals to 81 to power 2. This equation is also equals to 3 to power x square divided by 9 is equals to 3 to power 2 bracket power x equals to 81 is equals to 9 to power 2. So this can be written as 9 to power 2 bracket power 2. Here we are going to use the exponential rule, which is a to power m bracket n, which is equals to a to power n multiply n. By using this rule, this equation becomes 3 to power x square divided by 3 to power 2 multiply x equals to 9 2 multiply 2. This is equals to 3 to power x square divided by 3 to power 2x equals to 9 to power 4. 9 is also equals to 3 to power 2 bracket 4. So this becomes 3 to power 2 multiply 4 equals to 3 to power 8. This equation becomes 3 to power x square divided by 3 to power 2x equals to 3 to power 8. The equation is in the form of a to power n divided by a to power n, which is equals to a to power m negative n. So after applying this rule, this equation becomes 3 to power x square minus 2x equals to 3 to power 8. Here in this equation, on the both sides of the equation, as the bases are same equals to 3, therefore their powers can be equated. So it becomes x square minus 2x equals to 8. So this question has been simplified to a quadratic equation, which is x square minus 2x equals to 8. Now we can solve this quadratic equation to find the value of x. Let's see. Transfer 8 to this side of equation. It becomes x square minus 2x negative 8 equals to 0. This minus 2x is also can be right x minus 4x minus 2x minus 8 equals to 0. This is equals to x square minus 4x minus plus 2x minus 8 equals to 0. Take x as common, so this becomes x bracket x minus 4 plus take 2 common here, 2 x minus 4 equals to 0. Here x minus 4 is common, so take x minus 4 as common. From here it is x, from here it is 2. This is equals to 0. Here x minus 4 multiply x plus 2 equals to 0. To find the value of x, we can equate both x minus 4 equals to 0 or x plus 2 equals to 0. From here x equals to 4. From here x is equals to minus 2. So for this problem, the value of x is equals to 4 and minus 2.